Hello, I'm in a 2010 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your measurement units between US or metric. So say miles to kilometers and such. So from here, make sure vehicle's turned on, which this currently is. And then from here we'll go to settings, and then we will scroll down until we're at language units, push enter. And then we'll scroll down to units, push enter, and then here it's in US now, and then the metric here. So now it'll be like kilometers and Celsius versus Fahrenheit and miles. And then I'm in the United States, so I'll switch it back to the US. But it just auto updates as you do this. So no other buttons you need to click to save or anything like that. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.